So Innomotics is a Siemens business that represents the complete range of motors and medium voltage variable speed drives from Siemens. And we've really been founded as an independent company with that Siemens heritage to focus on driving innovative solutions for rotating equipment and power conversion across a whole range of industries. But we're here at Mining in Indaba in 2024 specifically to focus on the applications of our technology within the mining space. And we also add a lot of value to our customers through integrated engineering solutions in the electrification, automation and digitalization of mining processes.
Yeah, it's a spin-off combining really innovation and motion. This is where the name is coming from, really integrating all motors, electrical motors Siemens had in the past, integrating the medium voltage drives, and all of this then backed up by the solution business with a strong focus in mining and cement. And of course service is an integral part of this entity. It's 15,000 people, 3 billion of revenue, it's quite a decent company.
So for the mining sector, we really believe that our portfolio of products and solutions enables us to bring an optimization from an energy consumption point of view, from a process efficiency point of view, enabling mines to meet their ESG targets, their carbon reduction targets, while at the same time achieving the benefits of operational efficiency.
It's really to be the full liner. So that means it's all about electrical topics. This is the core of our business, but then we are really one of the unique full liners, starting with the electrification part. We are one of the 2 suppliers of gearless mill technology, for example, getting over to automation. So that means really building big automation systems, integrating processes into the automation, and then a huge digitalization portfolio to combine everything and to bring it on the next level of operations.
So one of the most exciting parts of our portfolio is the growing area of digitalization. And what we thought is exciting to showcase here is how being able to visualize every aspect of the value chain of mining, from the mining operation itself right through transportation, processing, stockpiling, logistics and ultimate consumption at the end user, gives operators the ability to find areas for optimization across different silos. So it really enables a conversation between different functional departments by integrating data from different sources in a way that lets them identify where there are areas for improvement and then drill down and really optimize each individual step in the process. So we wanted to show the industry here that digitalization has real tangible benefits based on a solution that we've developed over several years for one of our key global mining customers.
It's a digital solution that has been developed together with a customer in South America, really optimizing their operation. They came with really an issue that they are not getting what they're expecting to get out of it. And then over many years we developed this solution to really bring a benefit in the overall operation, optimizing the complete process chain, starting at the pit, as it said, going up to the port, and then even showing the ship fleet where the stuff is going. And it's really helping from operations up to management to take the right decisions, to plan and to react on what's happening. Because a mine is never stable, there's always something happening, and it really helps you to drive the business in a much more efficient way.
So obviously for us, Innomotics is a new brand. We've just been launched into the market in the last 6 months. So it's very important to get the word out there that we are a powerful global company represented in South Africa, active in the mining sector, offering services and solutions to the mining businesses, both here in South Africa and across the continent. So we really wanted to create awareness of who we are and what we can offer.
One important topic for us is, of course, right now to make clear what is Innomotics about. Because it's a new company, how it's formed, but it has a history of 120 years. So, and I think this is important to bring to the market. And as there's a lot of mining ongoing, we have a lot of installed base in Africa. We have a strong setup in South Africa. So for us it's key to be here, get the access, speak to the people, and really get a sense what's happening.
I think we're quite unique in the space of offering a full line of solutions, from really large gearless mill drives in the multi-megawatt power range right through process automation and digital solutions. So our deep knowledge of the real hardcore processes of mining combined with that digital expertise enables us to really look at the whole industry from a slightly different viewpoint to other sort of pure play digital or electrical providers.
One key is the people. We are doing solution business backed up by really superior products. And this really means we have people that make it work. We were front runners in a lot of applications, independent if it was the first mine winder 120 years ago or if it's the first digital mine that was implemented. All of this is possible because of the people we have in our organization, the dedicated knowledge that is in there. This is the big differentiator. So the people bringing it forward and executing the projects under the circumstances that are out there.
I think the mining industry is one of those where there's always a challenge. It's always up and down and one has to ride the cycles. But there's so much excitement around the contribution of mining to the long-term green economy initiatives that we need to be able to address climate change that I think the long-term outlook is really good. And we're seeing so much interest across Africa with the huge resources on the continent, across all of the critical minerals that are required to enable a green transition. But by exploring opportunities in different countries, in different markets, across different commodities, we've really seen that the future is bright for our business.
As I just mentioned, one core topic for us is really the setup we are having. On the one side, really being a very global player with a lot of locations around the world, so we can really maneuver, reacting on the specific conditions that are happening. Plus, it's the very dedicated project managers that are capable to deal with the situations, to adapt to what's happening right now and to find an optimum solution that the impact for the project is as low as possible.